Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? Here's your buddy, your Pelin and Hawthorne here with another big unboxing. This was an Amazon Prime shopping expenditure. I'm not sure where this is from, probably from Lexington, Kentucky, to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. I'm not sponsored by any product that's in here or Amazon, but I'd love to be. If you want to send me some cool stuff, let me know. So I like Amazon Prime. They have like subscribe and save options, which is usually what I do. So basically, something I like, I try and find the cheapest I can possibly find it. A lot of times Amazon.com has it, and there is a subscribe and save option. Basically, if you commit to a certain monthly allotment, whether it's one or two of these items, you know, and you can pick how often, every 6 months, once a month, whatever, you'll save a little bit more. So it's like 10% with Amazon Prime, and it's 15% if you subscribe and save. So I'm in the middle of a weight loss journey. And one of the things I do is I eat jerky as a snack. There are carbs in the Jack's Links jerky, but it's minimal carbs, but I enjoy it. So this is Jack's Link Teriyaki. This is Jack's Link's Tender Cuts Prime Rib. This is another Jack's Link's Tender Cuts Prime Rib. If you have a jerky company and you'd like to sponsor me, please let me know. And last but not least, Jack's Link's Peppered Beef Jerky. I love them all. They're delicious. They're just great. I have Decorum brand beard oil. If you like my beard. I just got out of the pool, so my beard's all messed up. I don't even care. For the family, got Emergen-C Immune Plus, 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C plus vitamin D and zinc. I got cherry. I'm a cherry-aholic. I love anything and everything cherry. What do you guys think of this? Is it legit? Emergen-C, you want to sponsor me? Let me know. You have another cold remedy company? You want to sponsor me? Let me know. So I love gum. I love sugar-free gum. Work and at shows, I go through gum like crazy. So I don't think I've ever seen this in person, but this is Airheads brand gum with micro candies. So I guess there's going to be little hard pieces of candy. I don't know. 14 sugar-free sticks. So Airheads definitely are not sugar-free, but this is sugar-free Airheads. There's 2 carbs per stick, and there's 5 calories per stick. So hopefully this will last a while. Once again, I'm not sponsored by Airheads, but I'd love to be. And last, but certainly not least, is Dole brand tropical fruit. So this, I've been buying canned Dole tropical fruit for several years. It's incredible. But I kind of price checked it, and excuse me. The jar, the 23.5 ounce or 1 pound, 7.5 ounces is cheaper by the ounce. So I went and got this. I do live like a keto kind of low carb, low sugar lifestyle, but I do eat fruit. So I'm technically not keto because I do eat fruit, but I eat it in moderation. I love fruit. It's great for your digestive system. It's great for your body. I love Dole tropical fruit. It is incredible. I would love to be sponsored by you. So this has 16 carbs, 1 gram of dietary fiber, 15 grams of sugar. This is in a light, it's 100% fruit juice. So it's not heavy syrup bull crap. This has pineapple, white grape juice from concentrate, papaya, clarified pineapple juice, lemon juice. There's another one. Non-GMO, but there should be like 4. So it's, I don't know. So I guess it's mango, papaya, and pineapple. But I love it. I absolutely love it. It's delicious. I highly recommend it. So Dole tropical fruit, peppered Jack's Link jerky, prime cut jerky, prime rib, teriyaki beef jerky, Emergen-C. This is the Immunity Plus, supposed to work even better than the other one, and Airheads gum. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other crazy unboxings, and let's talk about some of the stuff in the box. What's in the box? Have a great day.